Been a bit MIA these past few weeks, but I'm happy to announce that I survived the parent twilight zone, aka the holidays. You know, the school closures, the half days. Like, what's up with that anyway? I gotta drop them off and turn right around and pick them up before lunch. I might as well just chill out in the parking lot, right? Snow days. We don't feel like going to school days. If you know, you know. So, where were we? Before this little pause, we had spent some time looking at the four key areas of the biopharmaceutical manufacturing process. We spent the end of last year talking about one of them, the first key area, supply chain. We further broke that down into four sub areas. One, consumables, everything from pipettes to shoe covers. Two, raw materials, everything from the cells themselves to the CIP cleaning solutions. Three, spare parts, all those pesky little components you need to keep your equipment running. I hope you have them. Four, utilities, steam, nitrogen, process air, instrument air, water for injection or Wi-Fi, the works. Up next, we'll dive into upstream. That's where all the magic happens. That's where we get the cells and get them ready to produce the final end product. From anything like insulin to antibiotics. Stay tuned. Thank you.